Welcome! What does this do? Making no buns.
Welcome back to Mama's Kitchen. Today we have a special treat and I get to cook in the kitchen with my mokos. Something I love doing, and just want to introduce you to, this is, what's your name?
Mommy.
Mari, and this is our oldest moko. What's your name?
Hulk Smash Green Punna. Spider-Man!
What's your other name?
Punna.
This is Ngakuru. We're going to make hot cross buns for Easter, with Easter coming up. Like probably most kids don't like the spice and the fruit, so we're going to make a different, we're going to make chocolate chip. Okay, alright Ngakuru, so I want you to, we're going to start by putting the water in the big bowl. Can you tip that in here? You hold it, yep. Awesome. And then we need to add our butter.
Butter.
Mary, you want to do that? Scrape it off, you hold it. Scrape it in. Oh, yes. Put that over there. And then we are going to add
the egg.
Shall I crack the egg?
Yeah, and I'm gonna do it.
Like that.
Like that, I'll mix it.
And then we're going to add one more thing, and then we're going to mix it.
Can I do it?
Yeah.
Can I do it?
So Ngākuru's going to tip it in. So in order for the dough to rise, we have to add a magic ingredient, and that is called yeast. And you can find it if I can get this open.
I bought that.
So the yeast is in here. We're going to rip that open. And next, you pour that in the bowl. Pour that in the bowl, in there. Cool. Should we give Ngākuru a turn? You want a turn?
After me.
After Mari. Cool. Next we're going to put the dry mix in. So Mari, you can tip that in. Gentle. Yeah, get it all in.
Can I do it?
Yeah, you can mix it. Yeah.
Can I mix it?
Sure can. And you know what? I'm going to swap. The best thing to mix it with.
Put chocolate?
Actually, yeah, put the.
Now
you can put the chocolate in. So we've got about a cup here. Tip the whole thing in.
Okay.
Got about a cup and a half of yummy chocolate.
Oh, some more.
Okay, and then just gently stir it, okay? This is Nana's favourite spoon that Uncle Will made for her. Get a big ball of dough and we'll get some of this flour out of the way. Roll it together until it goes all smooth. Okay? Cool. It's like playing Play-Doh, eh? How you going, Murray? Like that. And it's a little bit sticky. But that's okay. Can I give you some more?
Ta-da!
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 Okay, we're doing balls like this. We're going to make hot cross buns, and we need 6 of these. So 1,
Making in the mix.
2.
And I got balls. I got a little ball and a Mario ball and a daddy ball. Look, Bluey's eyes. Bluey's eyes. And I'm Hulk Smash, and he is Spider-Man. And these are all superheroes. Yeah.
Out of one bag, you should be able to get between 12 large hot cross buns, or you could make up to 24, a couple of dozen, especially for the kids. Make them a bit smaller. And we've got all random sizes today.
There's a big one!
We'll see how we go. Got here. Before we cook them, we're going to cover these up to rise. Then we'll go and play outside and come back and whack them in the oven. There you go. Cover it up. Woohoo! There we go. Awesome. I've lost my little helpers. These look amazing. These are the ones we did first with Amari and Ngakuru, and then we made another batch and we made these smaller. So these have had more time to rise. They've risen twice. These ones have risen once and we made 12. These ones have exploded and we made 24 smaller ones, which actually look the same size. So just goes to show you the rise time and the amount of times you rise it is a factor. So these were baked in a fan bake oven, 170 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. And going along with the theme of chocolate, we're going to cross them with a Whittaker's chocolate ganache. And I'm sure everyone will love that. Kids are busy watching a movie, so I'll do this. But yeah, that's a different take on a hot cross bun. And at least I think it'll all get eaten, instead of all the fruit picked out of it. Thanks for coming to our kitchen today. It's turned into Nana's kitchen today, hasn't it? But yum, look what you guys made. Delicious. That will be our new Easter treats, I think. Chocolate chip hot cross buns. Cool, enjoy.
All done.
All done. Awesome. Ka kite.